I'm Aaron Fish and I'm a chef. And today we're talking about carbonated sugar. Carbonated sugar, so what's it made out of, right? If we want to get into the science thing, you can call me Aaron Fish, the science king. It's a process by heating and cooling sugar in a pressurized carbon dioxide environment. And what that does is it actually traps the carbon dioxide in the crystals of the sugar, expanding them and creating what a lot of people know as a famous candy that rhymes with Pop Rocks. I like to try to think outside the box and use it as a garnish on things where people are not expecting something like that, like a French toast, or even putting it on top of a sorbet for an intermezzo course, topping a fresh baked cookie after it comes out with some of the carbonated sugar, so that as somebody's eating it, they're getting this like neat experience of that pop feeling in their mouth and the sweetness. Regardless of what you do, this stuff's delicious and you need it. I'm Aaron Fish and I'm a chef.